Genital evaluation of a child of 1 year old coming with a recurrent respiratory tract infection, and this is a subcostal view to see the situs solitus, and this is PW at aorta. You can see the pulsatile flow, and this is PW at the inferior vena cava. You can see the continuous flow. You can see the LALV dilated, this subcostal view, and there is no evidence of any atrial septal defect in this color interrogation. This IVC opens into the RA. This subcostal 5-chamber view, we can see the aorta opening and coming from the LV. You can see the blue flow in the aorta is going away from the probe. That is why it is blue. You can see the evidence of VSD over there in this 5-chamber subcostal view. Coming to the parasternal long axis view. So in color interrogation, you can see the turbulence crossing from the LV to RV, left to right flow. That is evidence of VSD, maybe a perimembranous VSD. Let's confirm it on the short axis. If you see, the gradient is around 64 mm of Hg through this VSD. Coming to the short axis at the level of great vessels, you can see at the 11 o'clock position there is a turbulence crossing in the aortic rim. You can see in this view that is a VSD of perimembranous. This still frame, you can see the evidence of VSD. Coming to the 4-chamber, we can see the dilated LALV, color interrogation. Coming to the 5-chamber view, we can see in this color comparison, you can see the turbulence is crossing from the LV to RV through the VSD. So almost 3 to 4 mm VSD is there. There is a restrictive VSD with gradient of 64 mm of Hg. There is modified 4-chamber view. We can see the pulmonary artery. There is a mild PR. There is a color comparison of VSD.